Hello, welcome. Today let's try to solve another LeetCode problem, 74, search a 2D matrix. I solved this problem before, but I used basically binary search, but I used two binary search. So for this time, I'm just gonna use one binary search, and I'm gonna use the Python libraries to solve the problem, because in this way, the code will be really short. Yeah. Now let's just try to understand the problem. So we are giving m times n integer matrix with the following two properties. The first property is that each row is sorted in non-decreasing order. So this means the row is in non-decreasing order, for each of the row. And the first integer of each row is greater than the last integer of the previous row. So the first integer means this 10 is larger than this 7. So this is the second information. So now we just need to return if give a target. If we are giving a target, we just need to return if we can find the target inside the matrix or not. I'm not gonna use a brute force. I just use the binary search to solve the problem, and I will solve it in O log m times n time complexity. If we're gonna use log m times n, it means we're gonna use a binary search for the whole matrix. But for binary search, basically we're gonna use it to solve it in a 1D array, but this is a 2D array. So first of all, we're gonna turn this 2D array into a 1D array. So I'm gonna use a nums variable to represent a 1D array. Since this number 10 is always bigger than 7, and this 23 is always bigger than 20. So I can flatten the 2D matrix into a 1D array. So let me flatten it. So I can use the sum to flatten it. Because I didn't change the places, I just connect it. So I can sum of the subarray, like 1, 3, 5, 7, this is a subarray. Sum the next one, 10, 11, 16, and 20, and sum the last one to make it a 1D array. So how can I make it? So I can just use the sum of a matrix. But I don't know what is the element. But inside the matrix, the element is a subarray. So I need to give an empty array. So this means for the matrix sum inside it is array. So this means this one plus this one and plus the last one. Now I have the nums. For the second one, I'm gonna use a binary search to check the index. So I can use a bisect left with this nums and my target. So I'm going to search if I can find my target value in the 1D array. So currently, nums is a 1D array and it is in non-decreasing order. This means we can use a binary search for the nums. And this I can be inside or cannot be inside. So we have to return the result. But before return the result, we have to check if I is less than the length of nums. So if I equal to the length of nums, it means it is out of the nums. If it is out of the nums, so it means we didn't find it. So if I is less than less of nums, and we have to check if nums I equals to the target. If it is not even I less than the less of nums, but if nums I is not equal to the target, we're gonna return false. It means we didn't find it. So this is actually when we are using the bisect left to check if there is an index. If there is an index and this index is less than the length of nums, it means inside. And we have to check if this value is equal to the target. So if the I equal to the length of nums, so we're gonna return false immediately. It means we didn't find. Now let me submit it to check if it really works. As you can see, it's pretty fast and it works. And for the time complexity, because we just turn a 2D array to a 1D array. So for the 1D array, there are m times n numbers and binary search for this m times n numbers. So this is why the time complexity is log m times n. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will prepare more LeetCode problem like this. See you next time.